At 7:36 a.m. this morning, the spacecraft will pass through the ring plane at Saturn, and this is probably the most dangerous part of its journey. Even though the spacecraft is going by Saturn outside of the three visible rings, they're the three rings that we can see from Earth, scientists are quite sure that there is a great deal of material which lies outside of the outermost visible ring, the so-called A ring. Well, Planet Saturn is going to be going through that, and it will take less than a second for it to penetrate the ring and move through it. But if it should encounter a piece of debris, it could be the end of the mission right there. This first view is a close-up view of the equatorial region of Saturn. I think it's very interesting and has caused quite a bit of comment here in the Mission Operations Center. First of all, the block in the upper right has no meaning. That's an artifact introduced into the image as we display it here by the computers that process the spacecraft data as it comes from the spacecraft. So the part we're interested in is the portion below the middle of the screen, the lower half of the screen. And what we're seeing there is a portion of the cloud tops at Saturn near the equator, and the stripes that we see to the left that move diagonally from the left up toward the upper center are a backlighted view of Saturn's rings. But the most interesting thing, perhaps, is the shadow these rings cast on the surface, or the cloud tops at Saturn.